At Saucony, our research in running dynamics has led us to a breakthrough in cushioning.
There's this stuff we came up with? Amazing stuff.
We've developed a new continuous cushioning technology called EVERUN.
You should see the stuff this stuff can do.
Yes, because of EVERUN's unique properties, it provides cushioning that's continuous for every landing, every stride, every run.
This stuff's the stuff!
It allows us to do something that's never been done before. Build a shoe with an entirely new layer of cushioning that's closer to the foot, giving runners a livelier, more responsive run.
No one's ever done stuff like this stuff.
Furthermore, it adapts to runners' needs, combining smoother landings in the heel with reduced pressure in the forefoot for better protection during takeoffs.
You gotta get your feet on this stuff!
As I was saying, EVERUN maintains its characteristics far better than other cushioning. It doesn't break down.
Stuff keeps doing its stuff.
Finally, EVERUN provides an 83% energy return, continuously giving back to runners, especially at the end of the run when they need it most, helping them run stronger longer.
Find your strong kind of stuff. Oh, come on, say it!
Finding your strong EVERUN would be highly advisable.
EVERUN!
EVERUN, continuous cushioning.
You should get your feet on this stuff!
Saucony, find your strong.